say cendol durian.
Cendol durian. Kita nyo naman yan, yung durian niya. Very sadap ah. Woo! Yes.
What's cendol?
Cendol. Mr. Adam, what's cendol? Just explain, please.
Halo, halo.
Usually use coconut.
Coconut ah.
Milk.
Cendol.
And
They mix
for
that the color.
this one they use durian as well.
Oh, yeah. So,
See the durian so big.
Durian ice cream.
so mga lodi, you understand what Mr. Adam saying? This is durian ah.
They use some beans, red beans,
Oh,
and
special cendol from Milaka, this one.
yes.
Okay. Good. Nice. Oh, yan. Kaya muna kami ng cendol.
I thought ice cream.
Ice cream ah. Yes, this one durian. Yan, so mga lodi, yan ang cendol ng Milaka. Sinikpan namin ngayon. Tayo naman
They
yan.
use
Some poops.
they use brown sugar,
Brown sugar.
palm sugar. Like.
Okay. So we need to mix first ah. Oh.
Like halo-halo.
Yup. ABC. Like ABCD.
What ABC?
Halo-halo. In Philippines, ABC is called halo-halo ah. So mga lodi, sa Pilipinas na tayo.
In Philippines, ABC is called abacada.
Abakada. But here, halo-halo.
The green color what is it? Green
Woo.
So that one is flour. Just noodle.
Sobrang init mga lodi. Kita nyo naman yan.
Para kami nasa Australia.
Sa Australia. Kita nyo naman. Sa tabing ilog. Ilog ng Milaka.
No, right?
Yan ang kain namin ng sindol. Ang walang init. Durian flavor.
I'm tasting the durian.
Let's eat mga lodi.
Right? No.